let's talk about one of the most common myths I hear, especially from women. I only lift weights and do high reps. I don't want to get bulky. First of all, I hear you. The fitness industry pushed this idea hard back in the 90s and 2000s. Toning, sculpting, lean muscle, it all sounds good. But here's the truth. Light weights and high reps are not the magic formula you've been promised. In fact, they might be the reason you're stuck. You see, when you only lift super light weights and aim for high reps, you're mostly training muscular endurance, not strength, not muscle growth, not definition, and not fat loss in the way you think. And don't get me started on the word toned. Toned is just muscle and low body fat. You can't get toned when you're not there. You don't need to be a power lifter, but you do need to challenge your muscles, because the real benefit of strength training improves your posture, improves your metabolism, fat loss, injury prevention, and yes, actually seeing your body change. That doesn't come from waving 3-pound dumbbells in the air like you're blessing the room with vibes. That comes from progressive overload, lifting just enough to challenge your muscle and stimulate growth. We've coached women who have spent years stuck in the lightweight, high rep cycle. Once they started lifting smarter, not just lighter, everything changed. They got stronger, leaner, more confident in weeks, not years. So if you're ready to stop spinning your wheels and start seeing results, I wrote a blog post that breaks this all down even more detailed. It's called, Do Women Need Light Weights and High Reps? You can read it now at turnfit.ca/blog. You deserve training that respects your goals, not myths. So let's lift like it matters, because it does.